Let us do some higher order thinking skills problems in the chapter fraction. This is the first problem. Find the value of x if 9 minus 5 7 by 8 is equal to x minus 1 by 8. This is the problem. So observe very carefully. Given expression, otherwise given equation is 9 minus 5 times of, that is 5 7 by 8. This is a mixed fraction, is equal to x minus 1 by 8. So this is a mixed fraction. I am converting this mixed fraction as an improper fraction. I think you may be knowing how to do it. This is nothing but 5 into 8 plus 7 divided by 8, that is equal to 40 plus 7 divided by 8, that again equals to 47 by 8. So come here, 9 minus 47 by 8 is equal to x minus 1 by 8. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of x here. So that means I am just keeping this x here. Then I have to remove 1 by 8. Here already 1 by 8 is there. What I am doing is I am just simply adding plus 1 by 8. When I add plus 1 by 8 here, I also have to add plus 1 by 8 this side as well, so that the value of the entire equation may not change. So what else is there? 47 by 8, that is minus negative 9. This 9 is nothing but 9 by 1. Now look here, what is the LCM for this? 8 is the LCM. Now what we have to do, when these are the three fractions, 1 2 3. When you are adding or subtracting fractions, you have to take the LCM of the denominators, and then this LCM divided by denominator of the first fraction, that is 1 time of 8 is equal to 8, and then this 8 into this numerator, that is 9, that is equal to 72. So this is the 72. Now minus again this denominator 8 divided by this 8, that is then 8 ones 8, that is equal to 0. This 1 into this numerator, this is 47, that is equal to 47 here, plus what is left out here, again 1 plus 8 is there. So again 8 divided by 8, this is this 8 divided by this 8, that is equal to 1 time of 8, 8 ones, and then this is 0. Now this 1 into what is left out here, 1, third fraction, that is 1 into 1 is 1. This entire is equal to x minus this 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8 is 0. I need not write 0. This again further simplified, 72, this is 72 plus 1, both are positive, that is 73, and minus 47 is left out, that is this is divided by 8 is the denominator. Now let us see here, 73 minus 47 equals to how much? 13 minus 7 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2, so that is 26 divided by 8. Now I am just cancelling 2 4 times and 2 13, so 13 by 4 is with us. Now this is an improper fraction, so I am just making it as a mixed fraction. That means I have to divide 13 with 4, then how much I will get? 4 3 is 12, this is remainder is 1, so this is nothing but 3 times of 1 over 4. So the final answer for this is 3 times of 1 by 4. This is it. I hope you understood this explanation. Let us move on to the next problem. Here this is again higher order thinking skills problem number 16. I am reading this question. A multiplying number machine changes one fraction into another fraction by using a rule. It changed 1 by 2 into 1 by 10, 1 by 7 into 1 by 35, 2 by 3 into 2 by 15, and so on. So into what fraction will the machine change? So observe very carefully. Here there is a multiplying machine is there. It is changing a given fraction. This is 1 by 2 is given to us. It has been changed to 1 by 10. How is it possible? It is possible because when there is 1 by 2 is there, into if I do 1 by 5, this is becoming 1 by 10. Similarly observe the second fraction here. This is 1 by 2 is changing into 1 by 10, and 1 by 7 is changing into 1 by 35. 1 by 7 is changing into 1 by 35. How is it possible? 1 by 7 into, again 1 by 5 I am just performing. This is 1 into 1 is the numerator, that is 1 divided by 35. And the third one, 2 by 3 is changing into what? 2 by 3 is changing into another fraction is 2 by 15. How is it possible? 2 by 3 is the original fraction. If I multiply this one with 1 by 5, numerator is 2 into 1 is 2, denominator is 3 into 1 is 3 into 5 is 3 the 3 into 5 is 15, that is it is becoming 2 by 15 like this, right? This is 1 by 35 like this, right? Similarly 1 by 10 is like this. So all these things, all these original fractions, initially these are the fractions, all these fractions are converting into these fractions because each and every fraction is multiplying with 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 1 by 5. Now what they are asking is 5 by 3 is with us. Even if 5 by 3 is changed into which fraction, because everywhere here 1 by 5 we are multiplying, this 5 by 3 also we have to multiply with 1 by 5, then this fraction becomes 5 ones, 5 ones, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 1, that is equal to 1 into 1 divided by 3 into 1, that is nothing but 1 by 3. So this is the answer for this. So the answer is 1 by 3. That means the given fraction 5 by 3, if you input this 5 by 3, it changes into 1 by 3 because of the common rule that is available. What is the common rule? Multiply by 1 by 5. I hope you understood. Let's move to the next problem. I am just reading, this is the 17th problem. Printed letters are measured in units called points. 1 point is equal to 1 by 72 inch. Here it is given as 1 by 72 inch equals 1 point. 1 point. Right. Now if you want the printed title of your project work is to be 1/4 inch, then how many points you should use? What point size should you use? So here 1 by 72 inch is 1 point. Then 1 inch will be, observe very carefully, 1 into 72 by 1, that is 72 points. Right. Now how much size we have? 1 by 4th inch tall. 1 by 4th inch tall is equal to, how many points it will equal? 72 times into 1 by 4, that is equal to 4 ones, and then 4 ones 4, 4 eights 32, that is 18 points. So what point size you have to use? 18 point size we have to use. 18 point size we have to use, so as to get 1 by 4 inch tall, 1 by 4 inch tall titled project work. I hope you understood this one. Let's move on to the next problem. This is 18th problem. What is the least fraction that must be added to this given expression so that we can make the result as an integer? And they are asking us to solve using the hint, solve this entire expression and subtract from the nearest integer value. So I am just taking the given expression 1/1/3 divided by 1/2 divided by 1 by 9. So that is nothing but, all these are mixed fractions, so I am just converting them as improper fractions. You know very well, 3 times of 1 is 3 plus 1 divided by 3 divide, that is the first mixed fraction, first improper fraction. The second, 1 into 2 plus 1 divided by 2, again divided by 1 into 9 plus 1 by 9. So that is nothing but 3 times of 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4 by 3 divided by 2, 1 into 2 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 divided by, again this is 10 by 9. So that is equal to 4 by 3. You know very well, when you are making the division sign as multiplication sign, you just simply reverse this, divided by 10 by 9. So that means 4 2's 8 divided by 3 3's 9 divided by 10 by 9, that again equals to 8 by 9, when I am just making this division sign as multiplication sign, this becomes 9 by 10. How much? 9 ones gets cancelled, 2 4s and 2 5s. That is equal to 4 by 5 is the resultant fraction. Now 4 by 5. So totally 4 parts out of 5. We are taking 4 parts out of 5. If I add 1 part out of 5, how much it will be? 4 plus 1 divided by 5, that is equal to 5 by 5, that is equal to 1. Here 1 is an integer. So which fraction I have added? So that the resultant becomes integer, that is 1 by 5 I have added, so that the resultant becomes 1 by 1, that is an integer. So the answer for this is 1 by 5. Why I have added 1 by 5 is most important. So the result that I got is 4 by 5. So I have to make this entire expression, that is I have to add something so that the entire result becomes an integer. For that purpose I am just adding 4 parts out of 5 is already with me. If I add 1 part out of 5, that is 1 by 5, that is another fraction, I will be getting 1, which is an integer, which is the nearest integer to the given expression. Okay, I hope you understood this explanation. Move to the next problem. This is 14th problem in fractions lesson, high order thinking skills. I am just teaching to you. This is 14th problem. I am reading the problem. Observe very carefully. Your water bottle contains 5 1 by 4 liters of water. You drink 1 3 by 7 liters of water every hour. Do you have enough water to last for 4 hours? So we have a water bottle, and the water bottle contains 5 1 by 4 liters of water, and every hour you are drinking 1 3 by 7 liters of water, and whether the water bottle that we have has enough water to last for at least 4 hours. That means we have to compare the water bottle, the water that is available in the water bottle, and the amount of water that we can drink in the using the given database. Okay, so the capacity of water bottle is water bottle capacity is how much? Capacity is equal to 5 1 by 4 liters of water. That is nothing but 5 into 4 plus 1 divided by 4, that is equal to 21 by 4 liters of water is there with us in the bottle. Now for every hour you are drinking 1 3 by 7, and for how many hours? 4 hours. So total water that we can consume, that this fellow is consuming, is water consumed, otherwise water that he is taking, is equal to 4 times of 1 3 by 7, that is equal to 4 into, this is how much? 7 into 1 plus 3 by 7, that is equal to 4 into 7 into 1 is 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 by 7, that is equal to 40 by 7. So I have 21 by 4 liters of water with me in the bottle, and so I am drinking 40 by 7 liters of water. Whether bottle has more water, or the person is consuming, that is the person is taking more water, that we have to find out. So two fractions I have to compare. How can we compare? This fraction I am dividing with 7 by 7. This is 7 by 7. And this fraction I am dividing with 4 by 4. Why I am doing so? 7 by 7 is nothing but 1. If you multiply entire fraction with 1, there is no difference. And 40 by 7 is already with us. I am dividing this 40 by 7 with 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is, the value is 1. If you are dividing any fraction with 1, there is no difference. Why I am doing this with 4 by 4 and why I am doing with this 7 by 7? So as to make the denominators equal. So this becomes 21 into 7 is how much? 21 into 7, 7 ones 7, 7 twos 14. This is 147 by 4 into 7 is 28. Here 40 into 4 is how much? 40 into 4, 400. So this is 4 4 16, that is 160 divided by 28. So when the denominators are equal, then the numerator which is greater and the the numerator which is lesser is lesser. So this is 147 is less, 160 is more. So that means the water bottle capacity is 147 by 28 is less than 160 by 28. That is, this person is drinking this much of water, but the bottle has only 147 by 28 liters of water. So here, this particular person, do you have enough water to last for 4 hours? No, because it is less. There is no enough. If it is more water, then we can say that yes, enough water is there. But here, no, enough water is not available. We can simply say that enough water not available in the water bottle, right? So this is the answer for this. I hope you understood this answer. Let us move to the next problem. This is 11th problem. Mrs. Gupta bought 45 1/4 meters of fabric. That means 45 1/4. I am just converting this fraction as an improper fraction. 45 into 4 times is 180 plus 1 is 181 by 4. This is the total cloth she bought, and out of which she used 38 1/3 of the cloth to make 12 curtains. Okay, 38 3 times. I am just doing here 38 into 3. 3 8s 24, 3 3s 9 plus 2 11. 114 plus 1 is 115 by 3. This much cloth is used to prepare 12 curtains, and half of the remaining, first we find out remaining cloth. What is the remaining cloth? Remaining cloth is nothing but total cloth she purchased, that is 181 by 4 minus 115 by 3. So here 12 is the LCM. 181 into 3 times, 4 into 115. So I am just doing 181 into 3 times. 3 1s 3, 3 8s 24, 3 1s 3 plus 2, 543 is the first numerator, minus 4 times of 115. 115 into 4 times, 4 5s 20, 4 1s 4 plus 2 6, 4 1s 4, that is 460. So total 543 minus 460 is how much? 3, and this is 83. 83 by 12 is the remaining cloth. This much meters of cloth is remaining, and listen very carefully here. Half of the remaining cloth. So half of the remaining cloth means half into 83 by 12. That is nothing but 83 by 24 meters, right? This was used to prepare 4 cushion covers. 4 cushion covers. Okay. Observe very carefully. To make 4 cushion covers. Now they are asking us to find out how much fabric in meters was used to make a cushion cover. That means 1 cushion cover. To prepare 1 cushion cover, how much cloth is required? That means for 4 cushion covers, 83 by 24 is required. For 1 cushion cover, 83 by 24 divided by 4. That is 4 by 1 I can write. That is equal to 83 by 24. If I make this division sign as multiplication sign, I have to reverse the fraction. That is 4 by 1 I have to write as 1 by 4. That is nothing but 83 divided by 24 into 4 is how much? 4 4s 16. 4 1s 4 plus 1, 8 plus 1, that is 96. So 83 by 96 meters of cloth is required to prepare, otherwise to stitch 1 cushion cover. This is the answer. I hope you understood this entire method. If you are not able to understand, just listen once again. Thank you. Let us move to the next problem. This is the last problem in this fractions chapter. HOTS, that is high order thinking skills. 12th problem I am just explaining to you. Listen very carefully. After 7th grade final exam, Karan gave away 5 by 6 of his books and sold 2 by 5 of the remaining. So this is the catch point. he sold 2 by 5 of the remaining. First he gave away 5 by 6 of the books to somebody, and then in the remaining books he sold 2/5 of the remaining books. Now if he had 120 books, how many did he sell? That is what we have to find out. So here total books Karan had are 120, and now how many he did give away? He gave away how many books? 5 by 6 of the total books. That is nothing but 6 1 6 2 12 and 0. 5 into 20, that is equal to 100 books. Now 2/5 of the remaining books he sold. So how many books he sold? 2 by 5 of the remaining books. How many are the remaining books? Total books minus, observe very carefully, total books how many? 120, and he already gave away 100 books to somebody, then the remaining books are 20. So he sold 2/5 of the remaining books to, that means he sold, that is 2 by 5 into 20. I'm just cancelling 5 ones and then 5 fours. That is 2 into 4, that is 8 is the answer. That means how many did he sell? He sold, that is Karan sold how many books? 8 books. Okay, understood? I hope you understood all these high order thinking skills problems thoroughly. If you like this explanation, and also if you like the way that I am teaching, you please share this video to your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button so that you may never miss my further videos.